Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. So I'm getting ready to head off to Jupiter. I'm about to go film some promotional videos for that company, Jet Ride. They've hired me to kind of speak about their brand, and we're gonna do some Facebook stuff together. So that is what I'm off to do now. I didn't really get too much vlogging done these last 2 days. I've been super busy with the end of swim week. I was working at the Fagina Bazaar. Codier had a pop-up shop, so I was there working with Whispering Angel, and the shop was just so beautiful. They had an experiential kind of shopping experience. There was so much to look at, so many places to take pictures. You guys saw a picture on my Instagram of me in this like kaleidoscope tent. So it was a very beautiful event. But now that that's over, I still have 2 more days of work. And then tomorrow I have a very exciting meeting with Saks Fifth Avenue. They want to collaborate with some local bloggers. And then I have a video that I need to film, edit, and upload and get a brand's approval. So I'm a busy bee these next couple days too. I'm kind of running low on energy, I'm not gonna lie. I've been very tired these last couple days, but that's okay. I love the hustle. I love seeing my bank account improve and just keep getting bigger and bigger. And I like having the flexibility, knowing that I've hustled so much this week, and then if work is a little slow next week, I could focus more on YouTube. So that's kind of why I like freelancing and working for myself, because I really do control my own schedule. And I am that person, if offered to work, like I usually say yes. Like I like working doubles in the sense of I'll work for one company and then kind of work for another company later. Just kind of depends, I like the hustle. So I better get off to work because I don't want to hit any traffic. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Meeting with Saks Fifth Avenue, and it went really, really well. I met with the marketing director, Zoe, and she's kind of new to the department of Saks, but she kind of just wants to like implement influencer marketing into Saks Fifth Avenue. So that was really awesome. They seemed to really enjoy my company, as did I enjoy theirs. So it seems to be a nice collaboration that we're gonna have. I did leave with 3 new lipsticks, so I'm gonna have to show you those. I'm gonna show you my new lip colors by Giorgio Armani. And look at how cool it is that they engraved my Instagram handle on this lipstick. We put lips, and then we also put a T. So they do that for free at the Giorgio Armani counter at Saks, just to kind of like, I don't know, make you feel good. So these are the swatches of the colors, and this is in order, yeah. So this is kind of the first color is like a liquid lipstick, but it kind of still has like a glossy shine to it. But when I swatch it, I could tell from the consistency that it is more of like a liquid lipstick. That second color is a nude, and if I don't drop it, it is in brown 202. I love that one. And then the last color is more of like a nice sheer wash of a pink, and the color is literally pink 508. So these are the Rouge d'Armani, yes, lipsticks, those last 2. So I'm very excited to pair these colors this summer and kind of just mix them with some new looks. So for jewelry, I'm wearing my Peachbox watch. This is in the rose gold mesh. It's a Mark Bale watch, and I absolutely love the gold bracelet that comes with it. If you use discount code T4YLORLAYNE, you'll get 15% off your order. So I will definitely leave that in the description bar for you to check out. It is just so stinking cute, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. So definitely recommend that. For my top, I'm just wearing a black bodysuit bodysuit. This is from Forever. You guys see this belt all the time. I don't even know where it's from. My pants are Zara. I have these in 3 colors because I love them so much, and my shoes are Target. Good morning, it is Saturday, and I am going to yoga in the park with Alicia. There's a local park that offers free outdoor yoga, and they do it every Saturday, so we are going to attend that and then probably get some like coffee or something to eat afterwards. I haven't seen her in a while, so we're gonna catch up. I apologize for the lack of vlogging that I have been doing as of recent. You guys know I've been having issues with my camera, and I've also just been so busy to the fact that I like haven't really had time to figure out the camera issue. It's been one of those issues that's like in the back of my head. I know it's a pressing issue. I know it needs to get fixed, but I've had other things take priority, to be honest, and Carly's been so generous with letting me borrow her camera, so any footage you see is because I'm on Carly's camera, and luckily she does have the same camera that I do anyways, so I just apologize for like kind of like the lack of content. But make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll insert my handle right here because I'm always posting on Insta Story and kind of giving you guys like behind the scenes of what I'm up to. Kind of segueing into another topic, I may actually be thinking about getting a new camera. I have the Sony a5100. I love it, but I've had it for about 2 years now, and I think that there's kind of been new advancements in the camera world, and there may be something that's a little bit more convenient for vlogging. This is a little big. It takes great photos and it takes great video, but it's not really the most convenient to stick in a purse. I know a lot of people like complain about the blurring feature, which you can edit that and like adjust it if you don't want your face too blurred, which like right now Carly's, I don't think this looks, you know, crazy. I don't even know if the blurring setting is on at the moment because you still see my bags. Sunday, which means it's my party day. I waited all weekend for this concert. We are heading to Slightly Stupid. I think Pepper's playing. We're gonna do some tailgating, but I figured I would show you my outfit details. These sunglasses, I'm so happy I purchased them. They're from Forever. I got them in Boston. My top is also Forever. I will post my haul right above. Forever has great basics. These shorts, minus the booty, is from LF. Definitely a little risque, but guys, I live in South Florida. It's gonna be about 98 degrees, so that's how I justify. Shoes are Converse, and then I'm also going to just be bringing a backpack to kind of, you know, keep my bull crap inside. So hopefully the weather holds up. We're gonna head to Publix now to get some food, and stay tuned for the concert. Well, yesterday's concert definitely took some something out of me. So I'm in bed. I'm so fortunate that I have a job that allows me to kind of nurse my hangover all day, in the sense that I could work from home. You know, I go back and forth of like wanting a corporate job because it's traditional and it seems like to be structured and, you know, it's stable. But then I'm like, wait, I would be sitting at a desk hating my life, wishing I could be in my bed. And that's exactly what I'm able to do. So part of that goes out to you guys. Thank you for always supporting me and watching my videos, leaving all your kind comments, asking me questions and engaging with my channel. I really, really appreciate that. Because it allows me to be hungover today in bed. No, but it gives me such freedom to kind of live my life as I find fit. So I really appreciate that. However, kind of going in line with that, sometimes it is hard to maintain you know, wanting to document my life and wanting to get content for you guys, as well as just being in the moment and enjoying what I'm doing. So like yesterday, to be honest, I didn't film anything at the concert. I did not think about it once. I was just there with my friends, having a good time, drinking, like, you know, listening to good music. And I filmed a couple clips before we, you know, went in, because we brought our trucks and tailgated and things like that. But at the concert, I just didn't even think about filming. So I apologize for that, but sometimes I just gotta be, you know, it's a conflict I kind of battle with sometimes, of wanting to be present, but also wanting to have these kick-ass videos. So hope you guys understand, but I'm gonna end the vlog here because I, you know, feel like it's sufficient for the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.